12 players tuck in. Pakitanggal po yung hikaw, kwintas, bracelet, ginto, pilak, binibili. Jumbo, Tiburon Team Goal.
Number 7, Papilio, pass to number 18, back to number 7. Number 7, dribble the ball. Pass to number 21, foul by number 11. First personal foul. First team foul.
Mas gusto mo dyan mo po sa basaran.
Number 21, pass to number 18, jump shot. No good. Going now, pass to number 22. Binigay kay number 21, Iglesia for 2 points. Rebound number 7, pass number 18. Number 18, binaba na ang bola. Ipinasa kay number 12. Pass to number 7. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 44. Pass to number 21. Binigay kay number 22. Inangat. Block by number 18. Outside. Tiburon Team Ball.
Lian.
Rebound number 18, pass to number 7. Number 7. Oh, outside. SCM Team Ball. Number 21, binababa ng bola. Iglesia, dribble the ball. Pass to number 44. Big chance. Jump shot. No good. Now on number 22. Number 22. Pass to number for 2 points by number 11. Number 7. Binaba ng bola. Pass to number 18. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 11 ang bola. Number 11, pass break to number 21, Iglesia. No good. Nakuha ni number 18, pass to number 6. Number 6, jump shot for 2 points. Number 27, pass to number 11. Number 11, pass to number 21. Jump shot for 2 points. Number 7, binaba na ang bola. Number 7, pass to number 21, Tiama. Oh, anong tawag? Foul by number 22. First personal foul, second team foul. Inbound, number 18. Pass to number 12. Number 12, pass to number 6, jump shot. No good. Number 11, pass to number 22. Number 21, jump shot for 2 points. Number 21, Tiama. Sundot, nakuha ni number 11 ang bola. Number 11, binigay kay number 44 pero mama. Symbol. Symbol. Ano? Uy. Bilisan mo. Okay. Substitution rep.
Substitution rep.
Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Inbound, number 11, pass to number 9. Jump shot for 2 points. Inbound, number 6, pass to number 7. Number 7, binaba ng bola sa letra ng B. Pass to number 21, Tiama. Sumalaksak. Inangat. No good. Rebound by disturbed by number 6. Number 6. Probably violation. Number 21. Number 21. Pass to number 44, jump shot. No good. Going number 6 ang bola. Number 18, diniretso pa ang aksyon for 2 points. Number 21, Iglesia, give the ball. Pass to number 9, jump shot, no good. Nakuha na ni number 21 ang bola, pass to number 18. Number 18, nasundot ni number 21, nakuha ni number 44. Number 44, nakuha na ang bola. Number 44, jump shot, no good. Foul. Number 44, first personal foul, 13 foul, substitution, ref. Number 18, still, number 21, pass to number 11, Nilea, for 2 points. Number 18, pass to number 21, Tiama, 3 on the ball. Number 21, pinalik na number 18 ang bola. Number 18. 10 to shoot! Number 7. Pass number 21. 5 to shoot. Still by number 21. Number 21. Nilay up now for 2 points. Number 7, pass to number 23. Number 21. For 2 points. Look what's up. Inbound number 11, pass to number 44. Number 44, deliver the ball. Pass to number 10. Binigay number 11. Oh, nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul? Substitution, ref. Number 7. First personal foul, first team foul. Two shots to both row. No good. No good again. Rebound by number 21. Number 21. Ginawa ng ball. Diniretso na. Oh, nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul? Number 16. First personal foul. Rolling to penalty. Number 18, pass to number 7, Pavilio, sumalaksak, jump shot, for 2 points. Inbound number 44, pass to number 11, back to number 44. Number 44, pass to number 10. Binigay number 11, jump shot for 2 points. Number 21, bilang kumang ng ball. Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Score 16 in favor of SCM team. Number 7. 8 to shoot. Yama, inangat. No good. Nakuha na pa rin number 7 ng bola, tinira. No good again. Number 6. No good again. Scatter na. Number 21, no good. Nakuha pa rin number 21 ng bola. No good again. Last na. Number 11, pass, break, kay number 10, binigay kay number 16, no good. Number 10, no good again. Mag-i-scatter din kaya. Number 16 for 2 points. Bola, bilog. Number 18, pass number 6, no good. Number 11, pass number 10, jump shot for 2 points. Number 3, number 16, ilan ba? No good. Last one shot. Last one shot to foul. No good again. Nakawala number 10 ang bola. Number 10, Aldo. Pass to number 16. Binigay kay number 44, John Chan. No good. Rebound by number 16, number 44 again. John Chan, no good again. Nakawala ng number 18. Ang Tiburon King. Number 18. Pass to number 21 for 2 points. Number 11. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 44. Number 44. Oh, foul. Who's foul rep? Number 7. Second personal foul, second team foul. 2. One point. Number 7, last 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds for 2 points by number 6. The end of the first quarter. Naglalaro ang isang referee by to the ball game. At dahil may kachat din ang isang referee, back to the ball game. Magbabalik ang programa ninyo. Inbound. Number 11, pass to number 21. Number 21, dribble look. Pass to number 10. Oh, mama sa ball. Tiburon team ball. Number 7. Deliver the ball. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Still by number 22. Pass to number 21. Iglesia for 2 points. Sinasamba kita. Pass break in number 7 again, number 18. Number 18. Diniretso na for 2 points. Talagang pantika ang boys ng laro. Binaba ni number 21 ang bola. Iglesia. Iglesia, pass to number 10. Binigay kay number 11. Jump shot for 2 points. 2 points. 2 points. Inbound, number 6, pass to number 7. Number 7, binaba na ang bola. Binalik kay number 6. Jump shot. No good. Number 11. Pass to number 21. Number 21, pass to number 10. Jump shot. No good. Outside. Keeper on team ball. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Number 7 going down. Still, pero nakuha pa rin number 7 ang bola. Pass to number 3, jump shot, no good. Number 6, no good again. Rebound by number 11, pass break in number 21. Oh, yeah, by number 3. Ay, nagawan ang parang lollipop. Number 18, pass to number 6. Number 6, pass to number 3. Torres. Pass break again by number 21. Iglesia. No good. Again, for 2 points. Binigyan ng kaba. Number 7, pass to number 3. Pass to number 6. Number 6, pass to number 18. Back to number 3. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 22 ang bola. Pass to number 11. Number 11, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 21, jump shot, no good. Nakuha pa rin number 21, jump shot again, no good again. Number 27, no good. Stop on up. Number, 3 seconds, violation. Inbound, number 7, pass number 18, binigay kay number 21, pass number 3, napalakas ang pasa. Kaya, ayun, outside the ring begin. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Inbound, by number 16, pass to number 21. Number 21, dribble the ball. Pinasa sa ilalim kay number 9, tinira, no good. Nakuha ni number 21 ang bola ng Tiburon team. Number 21, diniretso na, nabitawan ang bola. Outside, save ball. Number 6 inbound, pass number 3, John Chan, no good. Nakuha ni number 44 ang bola, binaba niya ang bola. Ipinasa ni number 16, pass number 9, tinira for 2 points. Inbound, number 7, pass number 18. Number 18, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 44. Pass to number no good. Ang tira ng spot. No good again. Number 44. No good. Scatter na. No look niya. Number 3. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 18. Binigay kay number 6. Big shot. Jump shot. Foul. Counted. Who's foul? Number 21, Iglesia, first personal foul, first team foul. Substitution
Okay, okay, okay.
1 point. Inbound by number 44. Pass to number 10. Number 10, deliver the ball. Pass to number 21. Number 21, pass to number 10, jump shot. No good. Pass to number 10 and number 9 for 2 points. And number 9. Number 21. Binababa na ang bola. Number 21. Pass to number 18. Number 18, Marquez. Deliver the ball. 10 to shoot. Number 3, pass to number 7. Jump shot. No good. For 2 points.
Nakay-Chris. Ay, something like this.
Number 18. May dribble ang bola. Number 21. No good. Ang tira ni Scott. Number 21, back to number 34, jump shot. For 2. Number 18. Big shot. Jump shot. Foul. Counter. Who's foul? Number 44. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution. Rep. Substitution. Rep. That's one shot. No good. Nakuha pa rin number 7 ang bola. That's number 21, Kiyama. Dinangat. No good. Rebound by number 9, pass to number 21. Number 21. For 2 points. Inbound, number 12. Pass to number 7. To number 18. Pinasa number 21, back to number 18. Pinasa number 7. Pinigay kay number 12, pass number 7. Time to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Kuha ni number 44 ang bola. Number 44. Pass to number 9. Binigay kay number 10. Sinira for 2 points. Number 18. Oh. Kuha ni number 21 ang bola. Iglesia. Pass to number 44. Follow up sana. Jump shot. For 2. Number 18. Pass to number 7. Binigay kayo ng ang lakas ng pasa. Substitution, rep. Okay, substitution, rep. Inbound by number 21, pass to number 10. Number 10, deliver the ball. Pass to number, outside, keep a wrong team ball. Number 2, pinababa ang bola. Bayot. Pass to number 18. Number 18, sumalaksak. Pinasa ron. Nakuha ni number 12 ang bola. Pass to number 2. Number 21 for 2 points. Number 21, Iglesia. Number 44, Jump shot for two. Inbound. Number 21, pass to number 2. Number 2, Bayot, dribble the ball. Pass to number 7. Number 7. 6 to shoot. 3 to shoot. No good. Nagtirang spot. Pinangat. No good again. One number 11 ang bola. Outside. Same ball. Number 10, dribble the ball. Pass to number 11. Tinira na. No good. Rebound by number 7. Number 7. Binabahan ang ball. Still. Pero nakuha ni number 18. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 44. Last 36 seconds. Number 17. Lara. No good. Nagtirang spot. Number 7. Last 25 seconds. Seconds. No good. Ang tirang spot. Pass break. And number 44 in the for 2 points. 5 seconds. Oh. For 3.
Dahil nangangaital lang ang commentator, back to the ball game.
Okay, let's look. Oy, pera yan.
Ano, may pera? Tignan mo yun, pera yun. Pera sa likod, pera sa harap.
Okay, inbound.
Ayan.
Number 2, Bayot, jump shot. No good. Ako ni number 16 ng bola ng CSTNT. Oy, still by number 3. No good. That's it in the spot. Number 21. Jump shot. No good. Ako ni number 11. No good. Rebound by number 6. Pass to number 2. Bayot. Pinaba ng bola. Pass to number 3. Pinira. Pinasa. Number 22 for 2 points. Number 21. Pass to number 11. Number 11. No good. Still for number 21. Wala pa rin yung number 11 ng bola ng SCN team. For 2 points. Inbound number 6, pass to number 2, Bayot.
Oh, yan, ang ganda. Oh. Yan, sige, sige. Bigyan mo nga.
Number 6. Nakuha ni number 2 ang bola, pass to number 3. Jump shot. For 3 points.
Ayun. May pera yan.
Number 21. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 16. Back to number 21. Outside. Give a wrong team ball.
Ay, wag na.
Number 7. Binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 2. Bayot. Pass to number 6. Jump shot. No good. Pass to number 11 kay number 16. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 16 for 2 points.
Baka may mga idea dyan, balik mo kaya nun.
Number 2, Bayot. Dribble the ball. Jump shot. No good.
Uh-oh.
Number 21, Iglesia. Dribble the ball.
Ha?
Nakuha ni number 9 yung ball. Jump shot for 2.
Hindi original yun.
Number 7. Naba ng bola. Pass to number still. Nakuha ni number 11 ang bola. Pass to number 21. Boot. Number 21. Jump shot. No good. Number 0. Robbery violation.
Ito, may ano, may day.
Somebody is arrest.
Oh. Alam ko ano inumin ng gamot.
Number 2. Bayot. Binawa ng bola. Parang may bayot ng bola. Pass to number 6. Inangat. No good. Number 6 again. Inangat ulit. Nakakuha na ng foul. It's foul red. Number 9. Number 9. First personal foul.
Dito.
First team foul. Okay. Substitution rep. Okay. One check to foul. 1 point. Last one. No good. Ni number 9 ng bola, pass to number 11, pass to number 10. Algo, dribble the ball. Number 11, tinira na sa ilalim, no good. Rebound by number 7, ng keeper on team. Number 7, binaba ng bola. Pass to number 2, Tayo. Steal by number 10, Algo. Libre for 2 points. Isabela. Inbound number 6, pass to number 2. Number 2, Bayo. Dribble the ball. Sinalaksa pero pinasa sa ilalim kay number 3, jump shot, no good. Only number 9, pass to number 21. Number 21. Still, pero nakuha ni number 10 ang bola for 2 points ng SCM team. Number 3, back to number 6. Pass to number 3. Torres. Binigay kay number 2, Bayot, jump shot. No good. Number 21. Ginawa ng bola. Number 21. Pass to still the number 6 ng Tiburon team. Number 2, Bayot. Pass to number 7. Back to number 2. 8 to shoot. Jump shot to number 3, no good. Subdivision. Okay, inbound. Number 11. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Number 44. Jump shot. For 2. Inbound number 7. Pass to number 6. Number 6 dribble the ball. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 2. Number 2, pass to, still with number 44. Pass break to number 21. Number 21, pass to number 44. Follow up for 2 points. Inbound number 7. Nakuha ni number 22 ang bola. Pass to number 10. Binigay sa number 44. Number 21, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 7 ang bola. Binababa. Pass to number 3. Still the number 10. Pass to number 44. Binigay ulit kay number 10 ang ball. Still by number 2, Bayot. Bayot dribble the ball. Pass to number 6. Jump shot for 2 points. Number 21, Iglesia. Pass to number 44. Jump shot. No good. On number 6. Pass breaking number 2 by number 3. Torres. No good. Outside table. Sadawa. Subdivision rep. Help, no help. Inbound number 22, person number 6, jump shot for 2 points. Remaining time of 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Score 59-35 in favor of SEM team. Number 21, Iglesia, jump shot, no good. Outside. Keep wrong team ball. Subdivision rep. Inbound by number 7, pass to number 2. Number 2, Bayot. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 6. Binigay kay number 7 ang ball again. Number 7. 8 to shoot. Number 6, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 11. Number 11. Sinalaksa pero pinasa kay number 21. Jump shot for 2 points. Number 6. Pass to number 2. Parang alas 12 na. Number 22. Imperia. Jump shot. No good. Going number 12. Pass to number 2. Bayot. Pass to number 7. Jump shot again. No good. Rebound by number 16. Yababa ang bola. Pass to number 21. So you like it, number 11. Pass to number 44. Oh, steal by number 3. Pass break to number 6. Number 6. Layup for 2 points.
Parang ang lungkot mo.
Number 44. Pass to number 11. Bigay number 21. Dinira for 2 points. Yung gate po natin dyan, bagong pintura na po yan, sir. Number 7. Nahanap ng papasahan. Nakita si number 2. Pass to number 6. Outside. Rebound by number 27, pass to number 21. Number 21, pass to number 44. Last 15 seconds. Jump shot. No good. 10 seconds for 2 points. Number 11. 5 seconds. Oh! Putuin! Pagbihira. Meron kang brand new eat right. Really? Pambihira ka Pinoy. Ang hirap talaga ng iniwan ng asawa. Natrabaho para sa anak mo. Inbound, number 44, pass to number 10. Number 10, pass to number 9, jump shot for 2 points. Number 2, Bayard. Pass to number 18. Number 18, Marquez. Marquez, jump shot. No good. Inbound, number 27, pass to number 10. Number 10, jump shot. No good. Buwan ni number 21 ang bola, pass to number 2. Number 2, binababa na ang bola. Number 2, dribble the ball. Pass to, still by number 27, pass break to number 10. Number 10, highlights for 2 points. Ganda ng kuha mo rin. Inbound by number 18, pass to number 12. Number 12, Taking number 21, Tiama. Oh, foul. Oh. Nakasapakan na buli. Sino? Number 27, first personal foul, first team foul. Asin? No good. Last one shot to foul throw. No good again. Only number 27 ang bola, pass to number 10. Number 10, bumabawi. Only number 18, binaba agad ang bola. Marquez, jump shot, no good. Pass breaking number 10 kay number 44, jump shot, no good. Number 9, no good. Rebound by number 21, Tiama. Number 21, dinerecho na, no good. Rebound by number 10. Pass break to number 44. Binigay number 9 for 2 points. Number 18, binababa ang bola. Number 18, pass to number 21, Tiama. Foul. This foul. Sabdo, okay, pasok na. Sabi nyo sa lahat. Kala ko tinawagan mo ako eh. Gusto? Number 9, second personal foul, second team foul. No good. Last one shot. To Paltrow. No good again. Ako ni number 22. Itinasa kay number 10 ang bola. Number 10, pass to number 9. Number 9, blocked by number 21. Number 21, Tiama. Pinasa kay number 12, tinira, no good. Nakuha ni number 44 ang bola ng SCM team. Number 44, pinala, no good. Number 22, no good. Number 22 again. Oh, to robbery violation. Number 18, Marquez. Blocked by number 10. Number 10, dribble the ball. Kala ko lilipat na eh. Inbound number 2, pass to number 22, back to number 2. Bayo, binaba na ang bola. Jump shot, no good. Only number 22. Number 22, pass to number 10. Back to, pass to number 44 for 2 points. Balik. Pass break in number 21. Number 21, dribble the ball. Sinalaksak, nilay up for 2 points. Inbound by number 22, pass to number 10. Number 10, pass to number 44 for 2 points. Asir. Number 12, Sena. Dribble ball. Pass to number 18. Nakuha ni number 9 ang bola ng SCM team. Pinasa kay number 11. Pass break to number 22. Pinasa kay number 8. Nakabutan niya number 11. Binigay kay number 44. Pass to number 10. Tinira. No good. Number 18. Binaba na ang bola. Number 18. Yung nalaksak. Pero pinasa kay number 12. Back to number 18. Take shot. Jump shot. No good. Number 9. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Pass to number 44. Jump shot. No good. Number 12. Sena. Pass. Oh! Outside the ring. Substitution ba? Sumuna ako dito rin. Alam ko may violation ako. Inbound, number 11.
Lagyan natin ng buhay.
Number 11, pass number 16. Number 16, oh, wait lang daw. Anong tawag? Jan? Warning for delaying the game. Keeper on team. Number 44, pass to number 16, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 21 ang bola, Tiama. Tiama, binawa ang bola. Tiama, diniredyo na pero natatig ang bola ng number 16. Nakuha ni number 11. Number 11. Pass to number 22, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 7. Number 7 ng keeper on team. Number 7, pass to number 18. Sinira sa ilalim for 2 points. Ayaw pa yan. Number 11. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 23. No good. Rebound by number 7. Number 7. Ipinasa kay number 18. Oh, nabitawan. Nakuha ni number 44. Number 44. Pass to number 16. Number 16. Sinira na. No good. Nakakuha ni number 44 ang bola. Pinigyan ni number 21. Pass to number 16. Jump shot. No good. Wala na. Wala ni number 22. Number 7. Pass break. Number 21. No good again. Number 11. Dribble the ball. Pinalaksak. Pero pinasa kay number 16. Very good.
Parang sagwa ni ano?
Number 7, follow up ni Sayang for 2 points. Number 44, binaba na ang bola. Last 2 minutes and 17 seconds. Score 75-46 in favor of SCM team. Bitawan pero nakuha pa rin ni number 21 ang bola. 3 to shoot. 3 seconds. Violation. Number 7. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 21. Inangat for 2 points. Last 1 minute and 40 seconds. Number 44, dribble the ball. Using number 22. Jump shot, no good. Yan, good again. Sana lang, starter mo eh. Number 2, Bayot. Dribble the ball. Pinasa kay number 7. Big shot, jump shot, no good. Number 21, number 22, nabitasan ng pala. 1 minute. Last 1 minute. Tiama, dribble the ball, jump shot, no good. Number 44. Angeles City, no good. Rebound by number 22, pass to number 21. Bigyan number 2. Bigyan number 18. Jump shot, no good. Parang nawawala na ng gana. Number 16, pass to number 11. Number 11, bigyan number 22. Nag-iisa na talaga, no good again. Number 22 again, jump shot! Number 22, 2 points. Sa isang daang tira, isang puso. Biglang nabuhay. Whoa! And the winner is